can be. Sing along, come on, join me. Let's discover vegetables from A to Z.
A is for asparagus, tall and green. B is for broccoli, a little tree. C is for carrot, crunchy delight. D is for daikon, white and light. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, with a licorice sound. G is for green beans, snap and chew. H is for habanero, a spicy few. I is for iceberg, crisp and cool. J is for jacama, a snacking jewel. K is for kale, so curly and green. L is for lettuce, in salad scene. M is for mushroom, earthy and nice. N is for nap, but cabbage adds some spice. O is for okra, slimy and fun. P is for peas, sweet as the sun. Q is for quinoa, it's kind of a seed. R is for radish, crunchy indeed. S is for spinach, strong and bold. T is for tomato, red and gold. U is for upland cress, peppery zest. V is for Vidalia, onion sweet, the best. W is for watercress, in a stream. X is for seaguar, in a salad dream. Y is for yam, sweet and fine. Z is for zucchini, on which we dine. A to Z, now we know all the veggies watch us grow.